Welcome to 6260 Orban Place, a stunning move-in ready home located in a quiet cul-de-sac that's perfect for growing families. This 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom home blends thoughtful design with modern touches throughout. It's ready for you to move in and enjoy. I'm Celine with One Oak Real Estate Group, powered by EXP. Let's go inside and take a better look. Step inside to over 1,800 square feet of beautifully designed space on the main floor with a massive open concept kitchen, dining and living area featuring vaulted ceilings that enhance the sense of space and light. And downstairs you'll find even more living space, including a 4th bedroom for the main home, a fully self-contained 2-bedroom walkout suite. This mortgage helper is ideal for rental income, extended family, or guests. There's RV parking on site, and the entire yard has been finished with zero maintenance in mind. Patio stone, artificial turf, and durable aluminum fencing make this outdoor space perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the outdoors year-round. This property is more than just a house. It's a smart investment and a beautiful place to call home. With space for everyone, income potential, and an ideal backyard, this one truly has it all.